Let me ask you something. When was the last time you took your first step in the morning without wincing, without that sharp stabbing pain in your heel that makes you wonder if you'll ever walk normally again? If you're over 60 and every morning feels like you're stepping on broken glass, you're not alone. And you're not broken. Most people simply have never been taught what's actually happening inside their foot, and more importantly, how to fix it. Many people believe heel pain is just part of getting older, but that's not the real story. A study published in the Journal of Foot and Ankle Research found that nearly 1 in 10 people will experience plantar fasciitis during their lifetime, and the rates are highest in adults over 60, especially those who spend many hours sitting. Here's what's happening inside your foot. The plantar fascia is a thick band of tissue that connects your heel bone to your toes. Think of it like a strong, elastic band running along the bottom of your foot. Its job is to support your arch and absorb shock every time you walk. But over time, this tissue can become tight, irritated, and inflamed. And every step you take begins to pull on that inflamed tissue like a rubber band stretched too far. That's what causes that sharp heel pain, especially during your first steps in the morning. But here's the encouraging part. The same research found that targeted stretching and strengthening exercises reduced plantar fasciitis pain by over 70% in just 6 weeks. And these exercises are simple movements you can do at home in less than 15 minutes a day. Today you're going to learn 5 powerful exercises that help relieve heel pain and loosen the plantar fascia. And if you stay until the end, you'll also learn 2 bonus strengthening exercises that help make sure the pain doesn't come back. Because relieving pain is good, but preventing it from returning is even better. Before we begin, quickly let me know something. Comment 1 if you feel heel pain during your first steps in the morning. Comment 2 if the pain spreads into your arch later in the day. This helps others see they're not alone with this problem. Now let's start with the first exercise. Exercise 1, foot massage with a ball. The first thing many people with plantar fasciitis need is massage. Direct massage on the bottom of the foot helps loosen tight tissue, improve blood flow, reduce inflammation, and there are 3 simple tools you can use. If your foot is very painful, start with a frozen water bottle. Place it on the floor and gently roll your foot over it from heel to toe. This gives you both massage and cold therapy at the same time. If your pain is more moderate, use a lacrosse ball or tennis ball. And if you want deeper pressure, a golf ball works very well. Place the ball on the floor. Put your bare foot on top of it and slowly roll from the heel to the ball of the foot. Move slowly and cover the entire bottom of the foot. If you find a tender spot, pause there. Roll small circles for about 10 to 20 seconds before moving on. Do this for 2 to 3 minutes per foot. Many people find it helps to do this before taking their first steps in the morning. Exercise 2, plantar fascia stretch. After the massage, it's time to stretch the plantar fascia directly. Sit comfortably in a chair. Cross the painful foot over your opposite knee. Place one hand on your heel. With the other hand, gently pull your toes back toward your shin. You should feel a stretch along the bottom of your foot from the heel into the arch. Hold the stretch for 20 to 30 seconds. Then relax. Repeat this 3 times. This stretch directly targets the tissue causing the pain. Exercise 3, calf stretch with a towel. Tight calf muscles are one of the biggest contributors to plantar fasciitis. That's because tight calves pull on the Achilles tendon, which then increases tension on the heel. To stretch the calf, sit on the edge of your bed. Extend your affected leg straight in front of you. Take a towel and wrap it around the ball of your foot. Hold both ends of the towel, then gently pull the towel toward you while keeping your leg straight. You should feel the stretch in the back of your calf. Hold for 20 seconds. Repeat 3 times. Exercise 4, runner's calf. Stretch. Now stand facing a wall. Place both hands on the wall at chest height. Step your affected leg back, keeping that leg straight. Your front knee bends slightly. Lean forward toward the wall until you feel a stretch in the back calf. Hold this stretch for 20 seconds. Repeat 3 times. This exercise stretches the calf and reduces stress on the heel. Exercise 5, towel toe stretch. For this stretch, roll up a small towel and place it on the floor near a wall. Stand with your toes resting on the towel while your heel stays on the floor. Now lean toward the wall into the same runner's stretch position. Because your toes are elevated, the stretch travels directly into the plantar fascia. You'll feel it strongly along the bottom of your foot. Hold for 20 seconds. Repeat 3 times. Bonus exercise 1. Towel scrunches. Now let's strengthen the muscles inside your foot. Lay a small towel flat on the floor. Place your bare foot on one end of the towel. Now use only your toes to scrunch the towel toward you. Once it's bunched up, push it back out again. Continue this motion for about 3 minutes. This strengthens the small muscles that support the arch. Bonus exercise 2. Heel raises. Place a small ball or rolled towel between your heels. Press your heels together to hold it in place. Now slowly raise up onto your toes. Pause for a moment. Then slowly lower back down. Move slowly and with control. Repeat this exercise 10 to 15 times. This strengthens the calves and trains your feet to move in a way that reduces strain on the plantar fascia. Final advice. Your feet carry you through every step of your life. They deserve a few minutes of attention each day. If you spend just 15 minutes daily doing these exercises, many people begin noticing improvements within a few weeks. And for many, the pain is dramatically reduced within 6 weeks. Start with the foot massage today and see how your feet respond. And if this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple health tips that help you stay active and pain-free. Now tell me in the comments, which exercise are you going to try first? And if your feet are hurting right now, remember, relief might be just a few minutes of movement away.